What'd you think, buddy? Getting hungry? Want some food? See you sitting in there. I'm sure you're hungry. You're tired from the day, I know. Didn't get as much sleep last night, I'm sure. Alright, got this. I got this. I know. Sleepy guy. Chilling. Okay, let's go ahead and get you fed, dude. Here's that. And we got your broth, too. Okay, got this here. Such a happy boy, aren't you? Get this in there. And then I got your broth, so hold on. You can clean it, got a lot of dust in the air. Hold on, it's coming, it's coming. I drooling on me. Okay, here. Your broth. Alright, there you go, dude. I love ya.